In this video, I will show you how you can redeem an Apple gift card on any iPhone. Now, first of all, just buy an Apple gift card. And after that, just open the packaging. And in the packaging, you will find a card. And on one side of the card, you will find an alphanumeric code. Now, just leave the card aside. Now, for the next step, just open the App Store. Then tap on the profile icon in the App Store. Now, over here, you will find the option to redeem gift card. Just tap on it. Now, over here, you can either use the camera of your iPhone to scan the gift card, and your iPhone's camera will detect the alphanumeric code written on the card, or you can enter the alphanumeric code manually by tapping on Enter Code manually. Now from here, just enter the alphanumeric code in the gift card, and after that, just tap on Done. And after you tap on Done, it will ask you to enter the password of your Apple ID. After you enter the password of your Apple ID, then tap on Done. And as soon as you do that, you will see that you have redeemed your Apple gift card and you will see the amount on the screen. And this is how you can redeem an Apple gift card on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.